we go. All right, recording while cleaning the pipe. While removing the roots, we're going to record it. We're at the roots now.
What means that sound?
It's binding up. Let me get the water hose, please. Thank you.
So you have to wash everything that you... And you pull it back and go again, like you... This is the same, like you press the pedal and it's moving by itself, or you have to push it?
No, I'm pushing it.
Okay.
I'm pushing it. It's like...
It's not the same one when you clean the lines that you put through that machine.
Same thing.
But is the other one is moving by itself? The other,
No, I'm moving by itself.
Ah, okay.
Oh, talking about the other one, the big one.
Yeah.
Yeah, that one kind of moved by itself.
There you go, yes, called me.
Went through it now. So everything that started draining faster.
Oh, you see that it's like a moving, the water is moving.
Went through it. See?
What is this?
That's the area where the roots intruded into the pipe. I'll shut the water off. So we're gonna shut the water off. So now we see the area where the roots intruded. So hit the camera button to take a picture of it.
The camera to take a picture? The top one?
Yeah, the top one. There you go. Okay. Now we took a picture. So now I'll bring my chains back.
What is that piece of?
That's the roots.
Oh. But like you say, we're gonna go until the city connection that you find?
That's just gonna be like a courtesy.
Okay.
What I'm doing. hold on so we can see. Roof head, I'm doing that pretty big.
Oh yeah, when you have those roofs, the water is coming back to the toilets and stuff, or not?
It'd be in the hole in here.
Oh.
It'd be in the hole, so that's why I make sure that I got flow before I do stuff. All that grease and stuff on top of the pipe, I'm gonna clean up some of that too. Check the water down so we can see.
Shit.
Oh, look, man. Don't get it too much better than that. And let it get a liner somewhere to grip onto as well.
So this is the whole tree, right?
Yeah, that's what the root had grew into the pipe. Yeah.
So basically,
The
it's
tree,
probably under the tree. The tree just. Oh, okay.
it pushed into it. All right, so now it's running down.
It was 30 something, right?
Yeah, we're gonna go down there. It's gonna be a little bit different in the numbers now because we done moved all this pipe and stuff. Clay. Let's cast iron.
But it looks like the pipe is bigger over there, right?
It is. It's a 6. It's a 6-inch. So I ain't trying to really clean the whole 6-inch. I'm just trying to make it so that the customer can be comfortable until when we give them the report and we let them know, hey, look, there's roots growing there by the city. We wasn't able to cut all of them out. We wasn't able to cut all of them out, but we did go in there and cut some of them out, just so your sewers flow more properly. But there's roots growing there by the city. Come on, man. That's just to lock it off, make sure I can't get the power. Let it drain down. A little bit. Yeah. Hit the camera button for me.
No?
Yeah, the camera button. Let's take a picture of that. There we go.
It's a worm.
Huh?
It is a worm.
Yeah, you see a lot of that stuff. Side. Hey, hit the videotape so we can cut it, do a pullback.